I was in Czech Republic, in Moravia. I was in Polish cities like Krakow or Warsaw, Łódź. But I think the best experience was when I joined the trip to Mikulov in Czech Republic in Moravia, because we worked them on the Jewish cemetery, and we transcribed the letters and other stuff from the graves, from Maceves, and we must draw a picture, some kind of architectural project of this Macevot. And it was very hard job, because when you told someone that you're gonna to work on Jewish cemetery, everyone thinks about tidy and something like that. But it's a really hard work, because you must touch the inscription and think, maybe it's a Reish or maybe it's a Dalet, let's think about it. And after that, we work there all day, from the morning till the evening, for 2 weeks. And after that, we are going to home, yes, where we lived, and we must translate it, everything translate into Polish language. So it was a really tough and a hard job, but I loved the time. I learned a lot. I learned new words, new stylish things, and the sense of the paintings and so on. And of course, we were at the synagogue there, and we were at the Jewish area. It was a great fun when we joined to the Jewish festival there, because we saw the dancers. They were wearing like Hasidic and make a circle and dancing to the Jewish music, and we joined them. So it was a really fun time and great time there.